As mentioned in the previous video, your customers, together with their information, cards, and orders, show up in your audience automatically as soon as you connect your store. Now, if you've been sending emails before using some other platform, you can import your contacts from there too, using File Import. Simply export your contact list into a CSV or XLS file and drag it into OmniSend. Map your contacts properties, and you're pretty much done. If you've been sending with MailChimp specifically, importing your contacts is even easier using our data import tool. Just copy and paste your MailChimp API key into the field, and your audience will be pulled into OmniSend automatically and synced in real time. After importing your contact list, it is highly recommended to clean it, as up to 30% of email addresses that are collected for marketing purposes go bad within just a year. Thankfully, there are lots of services online who you can pay to validate your list for you, and the one we recommend is Mailgun. We even have a step-by-step video guide walking you through the process, so check it out if you want to make sure that there are no fake or inactive email addresses in your audience before you start sending.